Hello. Today I will show you how to glue and fix Beats Studio 3 headphones when there is a broken hinge, but this method can also be used when there are damaged headband plastics. With the help of this repair tutorial, you will save at least $250 without buying new Beats headphones. If you continue to use these damaged headphones, the internal wiring will quickly become damaged and the headphones will no longer work and cannot be repaired as easily. Therefore, for this gluing to work, the headphones must work. If they do not sound, then there is no point in gluing, because you have to fix them to make them sound. To do the gluing, you will need baking soda, nail polish of the same color as your headphones body. You will also need Superglue and various tools. Since you will be working with glue, make sure you get some tissues and painter's tape. You'll need to glue the damaged area of the headphones, but keep the outer parts aside so they don't get in the way. Then the damaged area needs to be glued back together so that it look like new headphones. Then use painter's tape to tape the areas where you don't want to glue and damage the look of the headphones. Once the headphones are taped, pull a bit the damaged area bigger so that you can squeeze the super glue in more deeply. Then put the headphones back together as they look new, and wait for the glue to harden, then carefully apply more glue over the top. Once one layer of glue has dried, apply another layer of glue in a different place. Do this several times until the glue has been applied all around the damaged area. Now I'll show you the main magic, for which you'll need your grandmother's toothbrush and one match. Then, with a match, take baking soda, or also known as sodium bicarbonate, and rub it on top of the freshly applied superglue. Baking soda combined with superglue makes instant cement. Then, with the toothbrush, clean off the excess baking soda. Then apply superglue to the other side of the headphones and apply baking soda on top and brush off the excess soda with a toothbrush. Repeat this several times, filling in all the gaps around the damaged area. Then remove the painting tape and fill the hinge part with glue. The headphones need to be glued very well, to last long. Apply baking soda on top of the glue and, of course, wipe off any excess with a toothbrush. As you can see, they are glued, they hold like cement. Most often, after this method, the glued headphones will never break in this place again. Most often, if you are not careful, they will break on the other side or in another place, but not in the glued one. Then carefully, with a metal file, you can file off the roughness, so that it is smoother and looks better. Then use painter's tape to tape the areas you don't want to paint with nail polish. Paint all the areas where you can see traces of instant cement. You can apply the nail polish in several layers. Remove the painter's tape until the nail polish is completely dry. When the nail polish is completely dried, put back the headband rubber. As some of place the glue is taken, cut off the extra rubber, so that the headband fits best. Then glue the headband rubber on with superglue, so that it doesn't move and fall off. Since I don't like the way it looks, I put black tape over the top, so that the damage doesn't stand out so much. But if you're happy with the way it looks, you can leave it as it is. I already think it looks better with black tape. That's it. Congratulations, you saved $250 by not buying new Beats Studio 3 headphones. You can see how to replace old earpad cushions in my previous videos. Good luck.